Hey guys, what's up? Today is the official day that the clipper is going to become a project. So what I want to do today is I'm going to pull the cub out, pull the clipper out. It's just been a while since I've flown it and really taxied it. So what I want to do is just kind of get it out, run it up and down the runway a little bit, just kind of exercise the brakes, get the alternator charging, and then I'm going to pull it back in the hangar, put it back in the corner behind the cub, and I'm going to decal it to take all 4 cylinders off because they're going to a shop just to the west of here. Let's get to it. I'll go do a quick check here of the oil, and we'll just kind of walk around the plane even though we're not flying it. I'll go ahead and just kind of give you a look at everything. B&C alternator has amazing quality. Good stuff. Looking to get a starter from them as well. Fuselage was done in 2019 and did a pretty nice job. So the tail feathers, we got the elevators along with the rudder. They will be coming off and getting new seconite, and then also I'm going to rebuild the rudder just in case there's a AD that might come out on the rudder post. I'm going to go ahead and take care of that. We'll be adding the wing tank up here. It already has provisions for it, which is required for the 0320. So here in a couple weeks to get the wings off, we'll tear into that. But the goal tonight is to get all 4 cylinders off in a box, ready to go for tomorrow morning. See if it fires up. Hopefully the battery is good, has enough juice. Just fired up, so let's see what it does. All right, got a little bit of fuel there in the wing, it looks like. Not much, but I know most of my fuel's in the header tank, so we'll run off that. It's not cool, listen to it. And then also, it doesn't have any detents. It's really not ideal. You pretty much just have to kind of look back at it and eyeball it. Very well at all. Okay. And some fuel on. It should be sucking some fuel there. Mags both. Master on. Man, that's pretty awesome. It's I think for, I'd say, I don't know, it's been at least a few months here, and pretty much fired up. Just a few turns there. All right, so we're gonna taxi down there in the runway here, exercise the brakes a little bit. Pressure in the green, oil temperature just almost in the green there. Okay, so there you have it. That is the official run. It would not run anymore with this 0235. Next will be the 0320. So the goal is right now is to go ahead and get this thing in the hangar, start getting everything ready to take the cylinders off. We're going to take all 4 cylinders off. Right now in this video, I'll share with you the process, a little bit of time lapse, a little bit of close up of how that goes down. We got a lot to do tonight, so let's get to it. All right, now I got the cowling off. I'm gonna go ahead and get the table here in front of me, put some paper on it, have a nice clean workspace to put all the parts on, keep everything in order. A little better lighting. The time lapse looked like it was getting kind of dark, so I got this baffling off. I got pretty much everything out of the way on this side other than just getting to the oil return lines, intake and exhaust. A little bit of baffling there in the center I'll have to take out, but this side is moving along pretty well. So we're going to start with number 1, the most far forward cylinder on the right side of the engine here, and then we'll go back to 3 and then go to 2 and 4 on the other side. All right, I'm gonna take these gloves off. I'll grab the camera, grab a light, and we'll take a look up in there and see what things look like. All right, I'm gonna try to put the camera in there. All right, there you have it. That's cylinder number 1. We're gonna move back to 3 and then we'll get to the other side.